Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Nashrah binti Shamsul and today I'm going to present about a program that I've built in order to find half-life and to plot a radioactive decay graph. First of all, if any one of you never heard about these two terms before, half-life is actually the amount of time it takes for a given quantity to decrease to half of its initial value. This term is most commonly used in relation to atoms undergoing radioactive decay. And for radioactive decay, it is defined as a process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation. The other name for it are nuclear decay, radioactive disintegration, or nuclear disintegration. In this program, I will use the equation of A equals to A naught half to the power of time over half-life. A, or activity in radioactive decay process, is the number of unstable atomic nuclei that decay per second in a given sample. Activity is expressed in the unit of becquerel or BQ, which also equals to 1 disintegration per second. And for your information, 1 becquerel is a very small amount of radioactivity. In this program, I'm going to fix the activity and the initial activity as in count rate in a unit of counts per minute, which is CPM, and time will be in minute, which eventually will give us a half-life value in minute. Alright, so how do we use this program? First thing first, user may enter the first three values. Let's say if I put 8 here, 9 for the initial activity, and let's say the time taken will be 1 minute. And then we may click the calculate button, and there you go. We got its half-life value and the radioactive decay graph. What does this graph mean? It means when 9 is half, which is 4.5, the half-life is 5.88 minutes. To confirm this, we may look at the half value of 4.5 as well, which is 2.25, and we should get a half-life value double from the first half-life, which will be around 11.76 minutes like this. Let's give a try for another value. Let's clear this one first and enter the new value. Let's say if I put 240 counts per minute as the initial activity and the time taken for it to decrease to 30 counts per minute is 60 minutes or 1 hour. What is the value of half-life, do you think? So the half-life is 20 minutes and this is how the curve looks like. We can see that when the initial activity is half, and that will be 120 counts per minute, the half-life is exactly like what we have calculated just now. And again, to confirm this, we may look when 120 counts per minute is half, the half-life would be around 40 minutes like this. To conclude, this program will definitely help you in computing the half-life based on the equation above and thus will help you to generate the radioactive decay curve based on the answer computed. And from this graph also, we can get the value of half-life for other activities as well. So that's all from me. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a blessed day.